Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Racer27.5 ultra-electric bike is an impressive combination of power, performance, and versatility, designed for adult riders seeking an exhilarating cycling experience. With its robust 21-speed transmission, this bike ensures smooth gear shifts, allowing riders to easily tackle various terrains, whether it's a steep uphill climb or a flat urban street. The bike's impressive speed capability, reaching up to 28 miles per hour, makes it a thrilling option for those looking to add a sense of adventure to their daily commute or weekend rides. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its powerful 750W motor. This motor provides ample assistance during rides, making it easy to conquer challenging hills without exhausting yourself. The bike's battery life is commendable, offering a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of assistance used. This makes it suitable for long rides or commutes without the constant worry of running out of power. The removable battery design adds convenience, allowing for easy recharging at home or in the office. The frame design is both sturdy and lightweight, constructed from durable aluminum alloy, which enhances the bike's overall handling. The 27.5-inch wheels strike a balance between stability and agility, making it easy to navigate through traffic or enjoy off-road paths. The front suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a comfortable ride even on bumpy surfaces. Additionally, the bike features a bright LED display that allows riders to monitor speed, battery life, and trip distance easily. The inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety during nighttime rides, making the Qlife Racer a reliable choice for all conditions. Overall, the Qlife Racer27.5 ultra-electric bike merges performance with practicality, making it an excellent investment for both casual and serious cyclists. Its robust features, combined with a sleek design, ensure that it stands out in the crowded electric bike market. Whether for commuting or leisure, this bike promises to deliver an enjoyable riding experience.